Hey everyone, it's Nazi from Nazi Health. Today we're diving into a serious topic, ovarian cancer. Now, ovarian cancer is a type of cancer that affects the ovaries, which are a part of the female reproductive system. It can be really sneaky and often doesn't show obvious symptoms in its early stages, which is why awareness is key. Early detection of ovarian cancer is crucial for successful treatment. The earlier it's caught, the better the chances of beating it. That's why it's so important to be aware of your body and listen to what it's telling you. Any unusual or persistent changes, especially in the abdominal or pelvic area, should never be ignored. In this video, we're going to talk about 9 alarming signs of ovarian cancer that you absolutely shouldn't ignore. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to consult your doctor right away. We've all experienced bloating, right? That feeling of fullness and pressure in your abdomen. But if you're experiencing bloating that just won't quit, it could be a sign of something more serious. Persistent bloating, meaning it lasts for an extended period, and doesn't seem to be related to your diet or lifestyle, can be an early symptom of ovarian cancer. This happens because the tumor in the ovary can start to press on your organs, causing that uncomfortable bloated feeling. So if you're noticing persistent bloating, don't just brush it off, get it checked out. Ladies, we know that a little discomfort in the pelvic or abdominal area is normal, especially during certain times of the month. But when the pain is persistent, severe, or just feels different, it's time to pay attention. Ovarian cancer can cause pain in the pelvic or abdominal region due to the tumor's growth or fluid buildup in the abdomen. This pain can range from a dull ache to sharp stabbing sensations. Don't dismiss it as just cramps. Trust your gut and talk to your doctor. Ever feel full after just a few bites of food? While this can happen occasionally, if you're consistently struggling to finish your meals or feeling full really quickly, it could be a red flag. Ovarian cancer can cause changes in appetite and early satiety. This is because the tumor can press on your stomach, making you feel full even when you haven't eaten much. So, if you're noticing a sudden change in your appetite or you're constantly feeling full, don't ignore it. We all have our bathroom routines, but if you're noticing significant changes in your urinary habits, it's important to take note. Are you suddenly feeling the urge to pee more often, or are you having difficulty emptying your bladder? These changes in urinary frequency and urgency can be signs of ovarian cancer. As the tumor grows, it can press on your bladder, causing you to feel like you need to go more often or making it difficult to fully empty your bladder. We all feel tired sometimes, but if you're experiencing persistent fatigue that's not relieved by rest, it's worth investigating. Feeling constantly exhausted can be a sign that something is off balance in your body. Ovarian cancer can cause fatigue due to a variety of factors, including the cancer itself, anemia, or pain. If you're feeling unusually tired and it's affecting your daily life, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Back pain is a common complaint, but it can also be a symptom of something more serious. If you're experiencing back pain that's persistent, unexplained, or doesn't seem to be related to any physical activity, it's important to get it checked out. Ovarian cancer can cause back pain if the tumor grows large enough to press on nerves or other structures in your back. So, if you're experiencing back pain that's raising red flags, don't ignore it. Intimacy should be enjoyable, so if you're experiencing pain during intercourse, it's essential to address it. Pain during intercourse, also known as dyspareunia, can be a sign of several conditions, including ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer can cause pain during intercourse because the tumor can irritate or put pressure on the pelvic organs. If you're experiencing pain during sex, don't suffer in silence. Every woman's menstrual cycle is unique, but it's important to be aware of any significant changes in your period. Have you noticed your periods becoming irregular, heavier, or lighter than usual? Ovarian cancer can affect your hormones, leading to changes in your menstrual cycle. These changes can include irregular periods, unusually heavy or light bleeding, or bleeding between periods. If you notice any unusual changes in your menstrual cycle, it's best to consult your doctor. While many people strive to lose weight, unexplained weight loss is never a good sign. If you're suddenly shedding pounds without making any changes to your diet or exercise routine, it's important to find out why. Unexplained weight loss can be a symptom of several medical conditions, including ovarian cancer. The cancer itself can cause weight loss, as can the fatigue and loss of appetite that often accompany it. If you're experiencing unexplained weight loss, don't ignore it. So there you have it, 9 potential signs of ovarian cancer that you should never ignore. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to fighting this disease. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, please don't hesitate to schedule an appointment with your doctor. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Regular checkups and screenings are crucial for maintaining your overall health and well-being. Make it a priority to see your doctor for routine exams, and don't be afraid to ask questions and advocate for your health. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about your body can make a world of difference. The good news is that advancements in ovarian cancer treatment and research are constantly being made. With early detection and proper care, the chances of successful treatment and recovery are significantly higher. Stay positive, stay proactive, and remember that you're not alone in this journey.